Alright, so we are doing another week in my mini happy planner. And I pulled this insert out, but let's see. I'm not feeling an insert and I'm not feeling washi. I really like this sheet that I did when I did my planner setup, even though I have trouble using these sheets because I end up liking them so much that I just don't want to write on them. I end up putting sticky notes on top of the sheet, then pulling them off. But I'm really feeling like, I really feel like doing that style. So that is what we will do this week, and I'm going to put this insert up for another week. Alright, and for this week, let me see, I have so much random stuff left on my desk. The last week of the month for me is always that random week, so I'm using what's left of my printable November kit. So I have some bits and pieces of that left, and I also have my binder of random stickers. So I have a feeling I will be digging into here. And I don't really have a plan for this week. I'm kind of just winging it. I have a plan or a color scheme. It is Thanksgiving, but I'm kind of over all of the falls and oranges, and so I think I'm going to do I know I want to do a bright spread. I'm kind of over that whole fall pumpkin, and I'm not really a big fan of the whole pumpkin spice. Like, I know I want to use those, and I see this like this hot pink color. Let's see if it matches. I'm not worried about, oh, my glue fell. I am not worried about matching this week. I know this is going to be one of those random weeks. Also, it is Thanksgiving week. My son is out of school this week. So that's kind of why the insert didn't make sense, because I will not be on my regular work schedule. Yeah, I won't be on my regular work schedule. He's out of school. So this will be kind of a wing it week. Let's see what else I have on my desk. Let me see, I do have some random stuff from, I think this is left over from the October kit. I didn't use it because I printed it. There was some stuff that I ended up printing just way too small.
Making a way. Making a way.
Alright, so this layout took a very random turn. I ended up not using anything I had left on my desk, but I love the way it came out. And it's perfect for a week where there won't be much structure. I can just write my tasks kind of wherever I find a spot. And I'm kind of feeling like this may be my new style that I'm kind of gravitating to. I don't know, I like the insert for busy structured weeks, but I'm enjoying these types of layouts. Let's see if I think I can squeeze that right there. It's on my desk and it is just begging to be on this layout. All right, I am done. So as I was saying, I really love the way this spread came out. Let me know if you all enjoy or if you find more inspiration by the weeks with the insert, or if you kind of like this freestyle, let me know in the comments. And stay tuned. Depending on what day I upload this, or the December kit should be coming soon. And y'all know I love December, so I'm really excited about that one. Alright, I know I said I was done, but this was also on my desk. Alright, I promise this time that is it. And I will see you guys in my next video.